The House Ethics Committee launched a public hearing Thursday on ethics charges against Congressman Charlie Rangel. The committee disclosed 13 violations against the New York Democrat, ranging from tax evasion to improperly soliciting money from officials and lobbyists. Rangel attempted to reach a settlement with the committee to avoid a humiliating public trial, but it appears no deal was reached. Now, if lawmakers find the 40-year-old House veteran guilty, punishment could range from a report criticizing his conduct to expulsion from Congress. And despite the disclosure of thousands of secret documents detailing a struggling military effort in Afghanistan, the House approved a $59 billion emergency war spending bill on Tuesday. A healthy majority passed the legislation that's meant to bolster U.S. troop buildup in the war-torn country. However, Democratic leaders had to rely on Republican backing for its success. More than 100 Democratic House members voted against the bill, compared to just a dozen Republicans who refused their support. The legislation now goes to the president for his signature after the Senate passed it last week. From Capitol Hill, I'm Kristen Volk.